Okay, but right now we will do the vlogging right now here in the classroom. So if you have a vlog in the future, or if you are going to plan to have your vlog, how do you start your greeting? Either would say that, hello guys, welcome to my vlog, or you would say this thing, hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Okay, just like that. So right now we will start the vlogging. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, it's good thing. Okay, our vlog is entitled A Day in My Life as a Grade 8 Learner. Okay, so you're a grade 8 learner, so we will do the kind of vlog that you are doing every day. Example, it is a Monday morning vlog. I want representatives to do the thing, okay? Okay, what will happen to you if you slept late at night in the evening? For example, let's say Sunday evening, what will happen to you? Okay, Adrian, can you click this link? And we will know what will happen to you. Okay, okay, thank you, Adrian. Okay, let's Okay, next. Okay. What will happen to you if you woke up late in the morning? Okay, who wants to volunteer? Okay, KB.
Oo, kayo na.
I woke up.
Oo, kayo.
No, let's.
Oo, yun.
Okay, that's the thing. Okay, what will happen to you if you think, okay, babe, what will happen to you if you woke up late? You will be running out of late to the school. Next one is, I study my lesson before going to school. Okay, Marcel, what will happen to you? Okay, just click the link. Yan. Okay, what will happen to you? You will participate. You will participate in class. How about this one? I helped my classmate in cleaning our area of responsibility. So what will happen? What will be the result? Okay, Shakira. What will be the result if you help your classmate? Oh, you go. Okay, what will happen? Your advisor will be happy. Okay, and the next one is this. The grade 8 learners are participating in Sir Jeff's English lesson. So what will happen? Okay, any other hands? Okay, Rapi. So what will happen? Of course, I'll be happy if you participate in my class. So that's our activity for our vlogging. So guys, please like and comment to our vlog, the grade 8 vlog. Okay, our next activity is you need to find where is the umbrella and the square shape on that screen. Okay, okay, let's clear. Okay, find the umbrella shape or the square shape in that screen or in that picture. Is nursery correct? Okay, that's right. Okay, very good. Okay, so our lesson is all about cause and effect. So everybody, what do you mean by cause?
Something happens that influence or leads to the result.
Example.
Example, a student studies regularly for the exam, so he gets a good grade.
So the cause there is the student studies regularly for the exam. So what will be the effect?
So he gets a good
So he gets a good grade. So that's the cause. How about the explanation of effect? How about effect?
The result or the outcome of the cause. Example, a student studies regularly for the exam, so he gets a good grade.
Okay, on the previous topic, which is the cause here is that the student studies regularly for the exam, and the result is that he gets a good grade. So if you study on your lesson every day, then there's a high possibility that you will get a high score or high grade. Is it alright?
Mining in Barangay Maan, Philippines can have some bad effect if not done carefully. It can harm the environment by causing deforestation, soil erosion, and pollution of water which affect plant and animals. Mining can also make people sick because of the dangerous chemical use. Sometimes people have to leave their homes because of mining activities which can ruin their lives. The arrival of mining workers can cause problems like more crime and higher cost for goods and services. Also, if the mining industry shut down or faces problem, the community might lose job and struggle with money.
Mining in Barangay Maan, Philippines can have good effects if done the right way. It can help the local economy by creating jobs and giving people The money from mining can also be used to build important things like roads, schools, and hospitals, which help the community grow. Taxes and fees from the mining can help pay for services in the area, like better health care and education. Mining can also bring other business to the area, helping the economy even more. Finally, the minerals mined can be sold to other countries, helping the nation's economy, but these good things only happen if the mining is done carefully and if the local people are treated fairly.